How to restrict group chat in Messenger. First of all, you have to open Messenger app and then locate the group chat that you want to restrict in Messenger app. Let's open it and view all the members of this group. For that, select members option at the top of the screen, and here you will see all the list of the group members on this Messenger group. So let me inform you that there is no any particular way to restrict any group on Messenger, but there is one way, that is you can restrict any one of the members from this group. Suppose this person is in the group and let's restrict this person. For that, tap and hold this group chat and then you will see the option to restrict. Select it and restrict this person. After that, let's try opening this group chat, and here you will see the option whether you want to stay in chat or leave chat. Once you have done that, you can tap and hold this group chat and select archive. Once done, this group will be restricted somehow. So in this way we can successfully restrict group chat in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.